today I'm going to show you how to do picots, both the left and the right picots. I'm actually going to demonstrate it on plaits, which you find in Bedfordshire, but you could also use it on a bookmark such as this, where you get left hand picots on one side and right hand picots on the other. And it's the same method of working for both, but it's much easier and quicker to show you on a plait. So to start off with, I shall make just a little bit of plait to get to the point where we do the first picot. And where it's on a plait, you just need to decide which picot side to work first. And I've deliberately drawn them so they're almost horizontal. And I think we'll go for the right hand one first. So we put 5 twists on the pair we're going to do the picot with. We take the pin and put it on the outside thread, underneath, turn the pin towards you, and you've now got the loop on the pin. And you can either put it straight in the pinhole or you can put it to the side of the pillow. Keep this thread very loose and take the second thread around the pin in the same direction, and both threads should lie on the inside of the pin on the right hand one. You can see they're still loose. Gently pull them up and then just jiggle them a little and put your 2 twists on to complete the picot. That should help to get the twists completely around the pin and locked in. Then if you're doing it on a plait like this, you've got picot the other side, and for that we do a half stitch between the 2 picots. This fills up any space. If you went straight away and did it on the left hand pair, you would end up with a hole between the picots. So after the half stitch in the centre, we put the 5 twists on. We put the pin under the thread pointing towards you and take it round to the outside. This time I'll work it away from the pinhole to show you the second method. Both exactly the same. Take the second thread around the pin, end up on the inside, put your 2 twists on, take the pin out, they're still keeping them fairly loose, but keeping both loops on there, slide it into the pinhole, and then we can pull it up. And then you will continue your plait to the second set on this plait. I'll show you again. Put your 5 twists on, pin on the outside, under towards you and round. Keep the loop loose around the pin, half stitch between them, twists on, and then taking 1 pin instead of 2. This time I'll put it straight in the pinhole, which is what I would normally do, but some people like to see the loops away from the work. And sometimes when you do that, you hear the click as it locks, and then continue into your plait. I'll do it once more and show you a little bit closer. The problem being close up, you can't see my hands, but I should do it just again, just so you can see it a little closer. So you always end up with a picot on the outside of the plait if you're doing it on plaits. Sometimes people try to do a left hand picot on the right hand side and vice versa, which means the picot ends up on the inside of the plait, which you don't want. So again, put your twists on, pin underneath, towards you and round, which gives you the loop, and take the second one round. A half stitch between, keeping it nice and loose. And there we have picots. It would be exactly the same on the bookmark pattern, and you would work the left hand picot on the left side and the right on the right side. I hope that's helped you. Thanks for watching. Any more techniques you want to see, just drop me a message, and like and subscribe, and hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching.